Hello everyone. Today let's see how to make the perfect Oreo ice cream that tastes like the store-bought one, or even better. First, let's take some Oreo cookies and separate the cream. Separating the cream is a must if you want your Oreo ice cream to taste like the store-bought one. We need a lot of flavoring from this cream. I'm using the cream of 20 cookies for this recipe. Now let's roughly chop the plain cookies. I used only 12 plain cookies. I'm taking my chill ball and whisk attachment. If you need detailed instructions on how to perfectly whip the cream and the perfect ice cream base, then please watch my video on vanilla ice cream recipe. I've added 500 ml of chill whipping cream. Let's whisk it for 3 minutes. I will keep the link for vanilla ice cream recipe in the description box. Do remember to scrape down the edges in between. When the cream is whipped perfectly, we need to add our Oreo cream and 1 teaspoon vanilla essence. Give it a quick whisk. $150 ml of sweetened condensed milk and mix it thoroughly. If you want to stick onto the store-bought flavor, then skip the next step. Add 2 tablespoons of homemade caramel syrup only if you want to boost the flavor. Another quick whisk. And finally, our chopped cookies. Now carefully mix it together. If you have already watched my vanilla ice cream recipe, then you might have noticed that this time we are using less sweetened condensed milk here as we have more sugar coming in from the Oreo cream and caramel syrup to keep our ice cream smooth. Transfer the ice cream mix to a shallow and white plastic container as they freeze fast and even. Glass containers are not recommended for this. Smoothen the top and cover with a cling film to avoid crystallization if your ice cream mix does not fill the whole container. Cover it with a lid and freeze for 6 to 8 hours. My ice cream was in the freezer overnight. The texture and the consistency looks great. Now let's serve and taste our ice cream. This is way better than the store-bought one. If you enjoyed the video, let me know by clicking the like button and subscribe for more videos.